How to fix Days Gone FPS drops on Windows PC. 1. Disable Steam overlay. 2. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. 3. Adjust in-game settings. 3.1 Go to the Display tab, Window Mode, Full Screen. Resolution, use the same number as your Windows screen resolution. BSYNC, off. Frame rate limiter, unlimited. 3.2 Head to the Graphics tab, Chromatic aberration, off. Motion blur, off. Lighting quality, low. Geometry quality, low. Foliage draw distance, low. Shadow quality, low. Cloud and fog quality, low. Texture filter quality, low. Texture streaming quality, low. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Disable full screen optimizations and enable override high DPI scaling behavior under change high DPI settings. 6. Customize graphics performance preference. 7. Disable background apps. 8. Disable Windows Game Mode.